All right, guys, today here you can see, as I said yesterday, we are looking for buy. Even morning in our pro trading floor, this is our WhatsApp group, and this is pro trading floor. So if you wanna join with us, so you just leave a WhatsApp message. So today morning 9:20 a.m. after market open, I told that. So in that case, here you can see what I told. This is a session breakout and a buying power activated. So looking for buy only near demand zone and breakout of structure. So as I said, all right, okay, just a minute. Let me close this group. So we are providing videos to my student how exactly this is running on week 5. Okay, so if you are interested, so you just leave a message. Okay, now you can see today I trade, I think 5 trade, I placed 5 trade. Among the 5 trade, all are positive. Trade number 1, my ratio is 1:4. All right, 1:4. Okay, means 10 rupees SL and 40 rupees target. All right, so here everywhere where you can see, so here I enter here and the next price not able to figure, but even I got another buy opportunity. So again I add position, and again I here add position, and again I add position. So somewhere here it's a book my profit. This trade go then book here profit. This trade book here. Okay. Now you can see every trade is going like that. Okay. So this trade is book here, and another this trade I just tail everywhere. I just tailing it. All right, tail it's running on. So it's going to close now. It's 4 minutes left. Okay, I'll close it. Okay. So why I place this buy order in this area? Now you can see this is the 1 minute chart. So as I said, we're just focusing on where exactly big player are building the order. So here in this area, first trade I placed, this is they forming a demand zone, but that was first the demand zone. Price not able to reach that level, but they forming a new demand zone. So that is why I enter here around 10:01 a.m. Exactly here I can see 10:01 a.m. All right, I first place one order, and the next I place add some position here around 12:16. I can see here I can see 12, sorry, 10:16, not 12:16, 10:45. I place 10:45, 10:45. Yeah, somewhere here. Sorry, here in this area I had some position. I add another position around 12:16. Here you can see 12:16, another 12:16. Yeah, this one 12:16. I add position, and again I add position here. Okay, in this area 12:40. I think here 12:40. Yeah, this one 12:40 in this area, and another I place order here. Okay, 12. Sorry, 225. 225 somewhere here in this candle. So I place another order, still it's going on. Okay. Now you can see why I told, because it's a big structure according to our analysis, and so we just looking for buy only, because still this is called buyer territory. As I said earlier, let me remove this area. This is a buyer territory. So what I told my previous video, this is a buyer territory. So that is why we are looking for buy only. But when we get some opportunity according to our technical indicator, so we enter in the market. Okay. So let me explain for that tomorrow. So tomorrow we can see this is a strong buying today. So means still running an uptrend. Okay. So in that case, we are looking for buy only. So my breakout structure will be like that. And this is just a minute. All right, this is the lower point, and this is the higher point. And even let me remove this thing. This is a small wave candle. So in that case, we will use large uh, wave. Okay. So how exactly we identify entry point? So in our professional course, we explain everything. Okay. So now you can see this is the lower wave, lower point. It's formed like that, and again price form a higher high, higher low. Okay. So means from here, this area from here to this level, all territory are buying territory. We are looking for buy. Press pullback. If some buy opportunity, will buy. If press drop, we'll buy it until they break these lower points. So as I said, from here to here, all are buying opportunity. All are buying opportunity, right? So same concept we are applying here. We are looking for buy after giving a pullback. So in our course, we already explained, okay? So we are using, this is a wave, like this wave, and another pullback wave. This means pullback wave, we zoom into small time frame and we use price action method. So once we get the opportunity, we enter it. All right, and our SL is fixed 10 rupees. Either it will hit my SL or it will hit my target. That is the rule. If I get opportunity, I'll add position. I rule and rule over again and again. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving your valuable time.